Welcome back to our architecture channel. Today, I'm excited to take you on a journey through one of Frank Lloyd Wright's most elegant Usonian houses, the Goetsch-Winckler House. As an architect, I'll share my perspective on the design, plans, and interior details of this masterpiece, exploring how it embodies Wright's innovative vision for modern American living. In the late 1930s, Alma Goetsch and Kathrine Winckler, two progressive art professors from Michigan State University, dreamed of living in a home that reflected their modern ideals. Both women were inspired by Wright's innovative Broadacre City concept, which envisioned a decentralized and harmonious way of living, integrating homes with nature. They approached Wright to design a community for themselves and 6 other families, a project Wright called Usonia 1. Wright's plan for Usonia I was ambitious: 7 houses and a caretaker's cottage organized around a shared farm, orchard, and fish pond. The houses would share certain design principles, such as flat roofs, accentuated horizontal lines, and an intimate connection with the landscape. Unfortunately, due to financial constraints and the radical nature of Wright's designs, the co-op couldn't secure funding, and the project was abandoned. Determined to live in a Wright-designed home, Goetsch and Winckler pooled their resources to build a single house for themselves. Completed in 1940 for just $6,600, the Goetsch-Winckler House became a symbol of resilience and ingenuity. Despite its modest size and budget, the house captured the essence of Wright's Usonian ideals, offering a blend of elegance, practicality, and harmony with nature. Beyond its role as a residence, the Goetsch-Winckler House reflects the broader cultural shifts of the time, towards modernism, affordability, and sustainability. It also exemplifies Wright's vision of architecture as a means to enrich everyday life, even in a compact, budget-conscious home. One of the hallmarks of the Goetsch-Winckler House is its seamless integration with the surrounding environment. Situated on a knoll in a quiet neighborhood in Okemos, Michigan, the house feels both anchored to and at harmony with the land. Wright's use of horizontal lines, natural materials, and open spaces creates a design that feels organic, as if it has grown from the earth itself. The house's orientation maximizes the surrounding views while maintaining privacy. The southwest-facing tall windows open to a planted box, while high clerestory windows near the fireplace allow light to filter in without sacrificing intimacy. On the northeast side, large glass doors not only light the interior but visually connect the indoor spaces with the outdoors. This house is a textbook example of Wright's Usonian principles. Wright aimed to create affordable, functional, and modern homes for middle-class Americans, and the Goetsch-Winckler House captures these ideals perfectly. From its flat roof and accentuated horizontal planes to its simple yet effective massing, the house emphasizes efficiency and elegance. The materials reflect Wright's preference for simplicity and authenticity. The walls are constructed of brick and wood, and redwood was used in place of the more expensive cypress to meet budget constraints. This substitution, along with other pragmatic adjustments, showcases Wright's ability to balance practicality with artistry. The interior design emphasizes flow and functionality. The open living space doubles as an art studio and serves as the heart of the home. Wright used built-in furniture and storage solutions extensively, ensuring that every inch of the compact 1,350 square feet was used effectively. From the dining table and bar to the desk and bookcase, these built-ins minimize clutter and maintain the clean aesthetic. Wright's attention to detail is evident in how he staggered the plan. The 2 bedrooms are positioned to provide privacy while still enjoying corner glass doors that open onto a private grass lanai. This lanai is protected by a board and batten screen wall, creating an outdoor space that feels both open and sheltered. The interplay between open and enclosed spaces is masterful. By staggering square and rectangular areas, Wright creates a dynamic flow that shifts from expansive to intimate. For example, the lower ceiling heights in the gallery and alcove provide a sense of coziness, while the higher ceilings in the studio area with clerestory windows add volume and light. The house's linear design, sometimes called an inline Usonian, is also noteworthy. Unlike other Usonian homes with wings or zones, this house arranges its spaces along a single axis, which enhances its sense of order and simplicity. The relationship between indoor and outdoor spaces is central to the experience of the Goetsch-Winckler house. Glass doors and tall windows invite natural light and views inside, while exterior features like the lanai and planting box extend the living space outward, blurring the line between home and nature. The Goetsch-Winckler house follows a linear design, often referred to as an inline Usonian. Unlike other Usonian homes that feature wings or separate zones, this house organizes its spaces along a single axis. This approach not only simplifies the layout, but also creates a sense of continuity throughout the home. The entry is subtly integrated into the design, with a cantilevered carport that serves as a functional yet striking architectural feature. From here, glass doors guide you into the main living space, blurring the boundary between the exterior and interior. The living room is the heart of the house, doubling as an art studio. This expansive space is anchored by a fireplace on one side and large windows on the other, creating a bright and inviting atmosphere. The higher ceiling in this area enhances the feeling of openness and provides space for clerestory windows that bring in soft, diffused light. An alcove off the main space serves as the kitchen, labeled workspace in the plans. Though small, it's highly functional, reflecting Wright's focus on efficiency. The two bedrooms are cleverly staggered in the plan to ensure privacy, while also allowing each room access to corner glass doors that open to a private lanai. The bathroom sits between the bedrooms, optimizing the linear layout. The private lanai outside the bedrooms extends the living space outdoors. Protected by a screen wall, this area offers a peaceful retreat that feels connected to the natural surroundings. The ceiling heights vary throughout the house, creating distinct atmospheres. In the gallery, alcove, and workspace, the ceilings are 7 feet high, fostering a sense of intimacy. Meanwhile, the studio features higher ceilings, providing volume and enhancing the flow of natural light. Wright used subtle transitions to define zones within the open plan. For instance, the gallery flows into the dining area and studio without barriers, yet each space feels distinct thanks to the interplay of ceiling heights and built-in furniture. The plan exemplifies Wright's belief in creating harmonious and functional living spaces. The open design fosters a sense of connection, not just between the spaces within the house, but also with the outdoors. This linear layout is a brilliant solution for a compact home, balancing practicality and elegance. The Goetsch-Winckler House stands as a timeless masterpiece of Frank Lloyd Wright's Usonian vision. It's a house that, while modest in size and budget, encapsulates the principles of organic architecture, functional elegance, and harmony with nature. This home is not just a place to live. It's a statement about the possibilities of design, how simplicity, innovation, and respect for the environment can transform a compact space into something extraordinary. For me, as an architect, the Goetsch-Winckler House is a reminder of how architecture can elevate daily life. Wright's meticulous attention to detail, his ability to blend spaces seamlessly, and his commitment to creating meaningful, human-centered designs continue to inspire my own work. Thank you for joining me on this journey through one of Frank Lloyd Wright's most elegant Usonian designs. I hope this exploration has deepened your appreciation for the beauty and innovation behind this incredible home. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What aspect of the Goetsch-Winckler house resonates with you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more explorations of architectural gems like this one, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into another architectural icon.